What would you like to say today, Missy? Yeah? And then what? Say, I love you, Mommy. Sounded almost like you said, I love you, Mommy. Do you have anything to say to Grandma? She said, I love you. Wow, you love Grandma? There you go, Grandma. She said, I love you. Hi. See you later.